Let me give you a quick overview of what we're going to build and how we're going to build it. So now we have this new component for selecting a new image. We can add a new image. If we tap on an existing image, we can delete it. Now when we post this form to the server, these images, their URIs will also be sent to the server. Here we also have validation. So if I remove this image and then try to post this form, we get this error. Please select at least one image. So this is what I want you to build as an exercise. Now let me give you a tip on how to solve this problem. Whenever you want to solve a problem, always try to break it down into a series of simpler, smaller, and more manageable problems. So to implement this new feature, first forget about the listing edit form. Imagine it doesn't exist. So build and test this component in isolation outside of the listing edit form. Use it in the app component. With that component, make sure you can select a single image. Just a single image, not multiple images. So we can select an image, and that image should appear in this container. Don't worry about adding this new container or placeholder for selecting a new image. Now, when we tap on this image, it should be deleted. So that is the main or the base component you should build. Let's call that image input. So just like we have text input, we can have an image input. Once you build that component, once it's working, then build a new component called image input list. This component has the list functionality. So with that component, we can add multiple images. Again, build and test this component in isolation outside of the listing edit form. Once you get it working, then add that component to the listing edit form to implement validation. So think of this as a series of baby steps. Now download the PDF I've attached to this lesson. There you can find more details about these exercises. So these exercises I've designed for you are fantastic. You're going to learn a lot from them. So now stop watching and work these exercises, then come back see my solution over the next few videos. I'm going to show you some extra tips and tricks along the way.